Sticking to it, understanding a common English phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, I'll stick to it. This phrase is commonly used but can be confusing for English learners. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, I'll stick to it, generally means to continue doing something or to remain committed to a plan, idea, or activity, despite any difficulties or distractions. It implies persistence and determination. For instance, if someone says, I'll stick to my diet, it means they intend to continue following their diet plan. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us remember them better. The word stick, in this context, comes from the idea of being attached or adhering firmly to something, like a sticker on a surface. Over time, this idea transformed into a metaphor for remaining faithful or committed to something. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Personal goals, I'll stick to my New Year's resolutions. 2. Professional settings, we should stick to the original plan for the project. 3. Casual conversations, I'll stick to water instead of soda. When using this phrase, it's important to use it in the right context. It's not appropriate for situations where there is no prior commitment or plan. For example, saying, I'll stick to it, without any previous reference can be confusing. To expand your vocabulary, here are some similar phrases. Stay the course. This means to continue doing something until it is finished or until you achieve something you have planned to do. Hold fast to. This is a more formal way of saying to remain strongly committed to something. And there you have it. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, I'll stick to it, correctly in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about practice, so don't be afraid to use this phrase in your daily English practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.